my god, it's so soft. This
Hi,
brand, yeah, so
we'd definitely love to have you
Yeah.
mix our festival ornaments
Sure.
together.
nice, Loro Piana. Very good. So nice.
Very fluffy.
Yeah. Hello and welcome to Market on the Go. This episode is about Loro Piana's Festive Takeover at Harrods. So it's a great chance to really have a look and know more about the rich heritage of this brand. So bear with me as we dive into this marvelous experience. Loro Piana is the world's foremost cashmere processor. It sources the very finest and rare wool from all over the world. The wool from its unique cashmere comes from baby goats from Mongolia and Peru. Exceptional Bisa wool, which is coming from the central area of Italy. Vicuna, which is the camel-like animal, which comes from Andes. Besides, they also use the stems from lotus coming from Myanmar for their cashmeres. Loro Piana has opened 2 pop-up stores in Harrods. So let's go and visit them. So we're here now at the pop-up store at door 6. Can you tell me more what it's famous for?
Yes, because now we are celebrating 100 years of Loro Piana. So we have just 2 pop-ups here at door 6 and 1 in door 9 instead. And in door 9 we have the workshop of wonders, so you can craft your decoration for the Christmas tree. And instead here in door 6 we have selected items. So just exclusive for this moment, for these 2 months. And that's
It's
all.
exclusive items,
Yes,
yeah?
exclusive, yeah. Like this one, you can see all the history of Loro Piana. So you can see in the middle we have the fabric, and then our excellencies, you know, the vicuna, the goat, and everything. This one. This one is an confection. As you can see, the cashmere supposed to be in a particular treatment that send the cashmere. It feels like frozen, but without loss the softness and the quality of the cashmere. So just for these 2 months, you have this service. So you buy a scarf, our iconic wallet Sciarpa Unita, and you can make the embroidery, so the personalization.
Wow.
By hand or by machine.
Let's go to another pop-up store at door 9, where they have the workshop.
Yeah, so we're celebrating 100 years of Loro Piana's heritage, and we have this amazing pop-up here for you to have a sensory experience, to touch and to see more of the amazing visuals that the brand has. So yeah, please
So
enjoy.
what kind of wools do they use at Loro Piana?
Yeah, so at the moment we have cashmere, baby cashmere, vicuna, and yeah.
So can you show me the baby goat cashmere?
Yeah. So we have this amazing set, which is a pair of lovely baby cashmere socks. And a
So this is vicuna, right?
Exactly.
Oh my god, it's so soft. So nice. And it's coming from Mongolia?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, okay. And also from
Peru.
From Peru.
Yes.
I see. So these are the toys of their excellencies. And there is a workshop also there?
Yeah. Making festive ornaments out of pure cashmere. You get the chance to make a pom-pom, a tassel, or a fairy, or wreath. And we do a very easy to follow tutorial where we give you a loom and 4 different colors that you can choose from.
duration, and we're here from now till January.
Okay.
Where are you coming from?
I'm from Azerbaijan.
Oh, wow,
Yes.
amazing. Are you enjoying your time here?
Yes, very much
Oh,
so.
good.
Very
I'm
much so.
glad.
Yes, and we also have Loro Piana in Azerbaijan. Yes, so I would like my subscribers to know more about this
amazing.
brand.
Hi,
Yes,
everyone.
so
Nice to meet
yeah.
you. Oh, that's
So-
amazing.
Yes.
Yes, definitely. Tell them to, if they're visiting, if they're nearby.
Yeah.
We'd definitely love to have you. We can make some festival events
Sure.
together.
Very nice, Loro Piana. Very good. Loro Piana tells its 100-year story through 36 animated windows, showcasing its unrivaled craftsmanship on how the raw material becomes the beautiful finished product. The idea of these installations is to show the Loro Piana journey from sheep to shop and pay tribute to the people and animals behind these luxury brands' buttery soft textiles, clothing, and accessories. A rotating globe rests on top of a miniature version of Loro Piana's factory in Quarona. The whole setup evokes the elegance and craftsmanship of past eras. So it's no wonder this festive takeover by Loro Piana is called the Workshop of Wonders, as the 36 windows reveal the remarkable stories of Loro Piana's heritage and the timeless artistry that defines their luxurious products. The moving sets in the windows remind us of puppet theaters of 100 years back, which takes us in fact to Loro Piana origins as it celebrates its 100th anniversary. If you like this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button to receive more of such kind of videos. There is a big difference between the quiet brands and loud brands, and Loro Piana is in fact a quiet brand. So we are now in the Harrods to see the difference between the quiet and loud brands. The Egyptian-style elevators at Harrods have been newly renovated. They have amazing designs with hieroglyphs and gold details. They make you feel like you're in ancient Egypt. The memorial of Diana and Fadi were demontaged because of the new owner. Loud luxury brands like Gucci, for example, are known for their bold logos, bright colors, and flashy designs. They often use high-profile advertising and celebrity endorsements. The emphasis is on visibility and boldness, appealing to consumers who want to showcase their wealth and status. Quiet luxury brands like Hermes or Loro Piana, in contrast, prioritize subtlety and discretion. They often have minimal branding, muted colors, and timeless designs. These brands focus on high-quality materials and craftsmanship, rather than visible logos. I decided to return to Harrods in the evening to show you the enchanting experience of the festive takeover, where every light sparkles and captures the true magic of Christmas. This window installation takes us through the journey of how the soft raw fiber is transported to the skilled hands, which transform it into fabric, and eventually it all leads to the creation of a 17-meter Christmas tree, decorated with unique fabric scraps. Before we leave Knightsbridge, let's take a brief look at Harvey Nichols, Harrods' rival, which presents a chic and contemporary approach to holiday decor, showcasing minimalist elegance that contrasts beautifully with Harrods' classic and opulent festive displays. If you like this video and want to see more of such, please subscribe to my channel and see you at my next episode. Thank you for watching.